Number 12, we're factoring. So going down my list, 1, is there a number that divides all 3, GCF? There's no number that divides all 3, and they don't share any variables in common. Therefore, I'm going down to method number 3, factoring trinomials, and we have to multiply the first and last number. We're going to be factoring by grouping this time, because that's a 2 in front of the x squared. Always write the positive answer, so 42. And I'm looking for factors of 42 that subtract, because that's a minus sign, to 11, and then I'll modify to get 11 negatives. So the factor pair would be 14 times 3. And really I need 11 negatives, so how do I modify this to get 11 negatives? I would need a negative on the 14. So remember, for factor by grouping, the first term stays the same from your expanded form, and the last term stays the same, but the middle term gets broken up. So the first term is still 2x squared. The middle term, now instead of negative 11x's, we're using our 2 new factors in any order, negative 14x's, positive 3x's, and then the back term is still minus 21. Underline your 2 groups. From the first group, biggest number that divides 2 and 14 would be 2, and they share an x in common, smallest exponent. If I distribute backwards, 2x times x gets me back to 2x squared, and bring down the minus sign. 2x times 7 gets me 14x. The symbol that separates the 2 groups is a plus sign. Bring it straight down. From the next group, the biggest number that divides 3 and 21 would be 3. Open up your parentheses, and remember, if the first parenthesis was the x minus 7, the second parenthesis has to be x minus 7 as well. So fill it in and then check. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. So I'm ready to write my 2 final factors here. One of them is a matching parenthesis, x minus 7, and if you cross those out, what you're left with, the greatest common factor, 2x plus 3 creates your second factor, 2x plus 3. Remember, you could have written it in reverse order. You could have said 2x plus 3 times x minus 7. You can write it in any order because you're multiplying.